Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong. What you doing? Are those good fingers? Are those good? Huh? Are those good fingers? Do they taste like peas? Are you gonna stuff that whole hand in your mouth? Oh goodness. You trying to... Don't gag yourself. You're trying to stuff that whole hand in your mouth. Silly boy. You're silly. You're gonna be 6 months pretty soon. Yeah. You want some more peas? Huh? Show everybody how good you eat your peas. You want some more? Yum yum. Those are good peas. Those are good peas. Yummy. You're gonna try to grab that spoon. Show everybody your skills. Don't put it in your eye. You're doing so good. Look at you holding that spoon. Look at you. Look at you, Bubba. You're so smart. There goes the spoon. Now we got interested in our hands. Let's look at our hands and look at our fingernails. Let's look at our hands. Boo! Ha-boo! Ha-boo! Ha-boo!